Namaste everyone, welcome to the relaxing evening yoga flow. Now I know you might be having different responsibilities or it might be a very long day for you, but now is the time to reset your body. Now is the time to relax and wind down. So all you need is your yoga mat and let's get started. So we'll start from here itself. Let's sit in Sukhasana. Let's join our palms. Let's take a normal long deep breath in and exhale. Let's chant Om 3 times. Inhale. Inhale once again. And one last time, inhale, take a long deep breath. Fill up your lungs and exhale with Om. Gently open your eyes and let's start with some gentle stretches. Left to right. Stretch your body. See if you can feel a good stretch on your sides, in your arms. And let's hold it right here. You can even place your elbow down and stretch. See if both the buttocks are on the floor. Don't take it up. Keep it on the floor. Look up, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's gently inhale. Come back to the center. Let's go on to the other side. Onto your left side. Stretch your right hand. Look gently up. Keeping your breath aligned with your body. Listening to your body. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently inhale, come back to the center. And from here itself, let's twist. Keep your right hand behind your body. Keep your spine straight. Twist your body, hold. Look back from your right shoulder, over your right shoulder, hold. Take long deep breaths, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and gently inhale, come back. And let's go on to the other side now. Keep your left hand behind. Look back over your left shoulder, hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and gently inhale, and as you exhale, let's come back to the center. Let's come here in Baddha Konasana. You can gently start flapping your legs. And let's relax. Let's turn, let's go down. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, gently come back up. And let's go on to our left side. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently inhale, come back. Let's keep our left leg right in front of us and keep it folded. You can hold and wrap your hands. Just gently stretch and hold. Don't push it too much. Just stretch, feel the stretch and hold. Feel the stretch here in your hamstrings and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently come back. Let's do it for our left leg now. Stretch and hold. You can even flex or stretch your toe. Keep your spine straight. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently come back. From here itself, let's come into Dandasana. Let's stretch our toes. Stretch and flex. Keep your spine straight. Look forward. Keep your breath going. Inhale and exhale while you are doing anything. Let's stretch and hold. Tighten up your knee, tighten up your thighs. Stretch your spine and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's take our feet inwards. Flex your feet, hold. Stretch your spine, tighten up your knees and thighs. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And gently relax. Let's inhale. And as you exhale, let's go down into Paschimottanasana. Now listen to your body, go down, hold as much as you can, keep your breath flowing. And let's go down and hold for 5 seconds. Gently inhale, come back. Keep your right leg over your left leg. Hold, look up, and as you exhale, go down. Again, hold for 5 seconds. Inhale, gently come back up with your left leg over your right leg. Inhale, gently take your hands up, stretch your spine. As you exhale, you may go forward. Hold your feet. See if you can touch your chin to your knee and hold. And gently come back up. Now before we end this video, let's give ourselves a little tight hug. You can gently hug yourself. Take long deep breaths. Thanks to the Almighty, thanks to the God or anyone for this beautiful day. Now is the time to reset. You're all good to go for the bedtime now. Gently relax your breath with a beautiful smile on your face. Let go of anything you're holding on to inside. It's time to let go. And gently inhale, open up your eyes. And you're good to go for the day. You're good to go for the bedtime. Thank you for joining. See you in the next video. Namaste.